Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, my friends. Tell me, have you ever heard of the 5 Christmas gift rule? It's a jolly good way to make gift giving simple, thoughtful, and full of cheer. Rule number 1, something they desire. That means a gift someone has truly been wishing for. Something that brings joy, delight, and a little bit of Christmas magic. Rule number 2, something they need. A thoughtful gift that fills a gap. A warm coat for winter, or maybe a tool that helps them learn or grow. Number 3, something to use. Clothes, accessories, or even cozy slippers. Something that fits their style and makes them feel comfy and happy. Rule 4, something to read. A story that sparks imagination. A fairy tale, a funny comic, or a wonderful adventure. Reading is one of the best gifts of all. And last but not least, rule number 5, something to do or experience. These are the gifts that make memories. A day at the zoo, tickets to a show, or even a cooking class. It's not just a present, it's a moment shared. Now, why do I love the 5 gift rule? Because it makes Christmas shopping easy and keeps your heart focused on what truly matters. It helps you choose gifts with care, love, and purpose. Ho, ho, ho. That's what Christmas is all about. Spreading joy, not stress. Merry Christmas, everyone. And may your presents bring smiles, memories, and magic. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.